I'm here right now in the Colbert factory, so I can give you the prices because someone requested, not just someone, a few requested about the prices of Colbert. So I'm here now taking you to the factory here in Pitos, Talamban. So this is the size of the big one. Unfortunately, the owner is not here yet, so I could give you a better pricing from him. So I'll just give you the sizes. This is the sizes here. This is the big one that they do. This is how it's made. They got this shape, and then they pour the cement here and all the shape, and then let it dry with a vibrator. They'll shake the whole shaper. I mean the forms. This is the big forms. And they also come in different sizes. So this is the big one that you can see here. They also do made to order, but you need to pay for the form if it's the size that's not, these are their standard sizes. So that's the big one. And then they have this next size is this one, next standard size, the one on this side. This size is here. That's how they do it here. These are all the forms for this size. And from that size they got the next one down. This one, this is smaller than this one, which are all here. So that's the big one, next one, and this is the third one. And they also do a small ones. These are the small sizes. And as you can see, that's the smallest ones they do. That's the forms for the small one. And I'm also gonna ask them the prices of their hollow blocks, because aside from Colberts, they also do hollow blocks, like different classes. Like this is 6, the usual 6, and this is the 4-inch hollow blocks, 6 and 4. These are the 4-inch. I wonder if it's the class A or the class B, because they have class A and class B classification. So these are the number 6. You can see the size of the hole is bigger. And this is the number 4. So the hole is just smaller. So I'll just get you the prices. I'll go to the owner's house, but now you can see the available here. This is the factory of Colberts and hollow blocks. So that's the smallest. And that's the next size. I think they seem to have a standard height. It's only that the circumference of the hole is different. So they dry it up. I heard tulo kasi mana di ang drying ani? Oh. Standard ang height ani niya no. Pili ko an. 4. 4 ka 4 feet. 4 feet no? 4 feet is the standard size but the circumference matters. Ika na, 36?
Ang imo dahol mahalog lang pinakusan.
3 feet, Roy? 3 feet ra? It's only 3 feet. Okay. Parihara man tanan no? 3 feet ra man tanan? So it's all a standard height like I've noticed. 3 feet. And then it's just the circumference is different. So the government buy from here as well, and they have their own form. When they want to have those big ones. So some of the hardwares buy it from here, so you can see you can have a better price because this is the factory source. They actually make it, and you can also insist on the mix that you want your Colbert from. So these are the rocks that they mix with it. So like we are getting it from here if we're in our drainage, and we get it from the factory price. But if you go direct here, this is located in Pitos, Cebu City. You can also get it from the manufacturer's price. That's the prices for the Colbert.